Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to add Telegram status on your account. Go to Telegram. On the left top corner you'll see your profile. Click on it, then you'll see my story. Tap on it. As you can see, you can go live and post your status. You can also add your video or even take a selfie and post. Mine, I'll choose photo. I'll click the circle icon, the white circle icon. Here you can add a caption, but first I'll add a photo. I'll click the camera icon here. Lock. Just post anything you want, then tick, then click next. Mine, I'll select who you want your posts to be seen by. Mine, I'll select everyone. As you can see, I have posted my status. You can click my story to see your status, what you have posted. Yes.